friends, let's do a waypoint project. We want waypoints. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and make sure I'm in the right location. It does not know where I'm at, so let's try this again. I want to come to the drone, let the map catch up. So that's the drone picture. This is the remote picture. Notice right now they're side by side. You can pick two kinds of waypoints. You can draw a bunch or you can draw a single. I'm going to draw a bunch. I'm going to draw them real close. There are 4 of them now. If you click on a waypoint, you can pick its height. I'm going to go 11 meters and I'm going to have it stay there 12 seconds. I'm going to go to waypoint 2. I'm going to have it go to 10 meters and stay there 11 seconds. Waypoint 3, let's do 5 meters, 13 seconds. And waypoint 4, we'll go to 7 meters and 12 seconds. Now that I've got my waypoints in place, I need to upload them to the drone. Let's unlock it. We'll use the auto takeoff. I got the tripod set up. Let's see if we can get it to go to the waypoint. So I just tapped the upload, and when I tapped upload this time, it actually went. And there it is flying to waypoint 1. Now it's flying to waypoint 2. There is a lot of wind today, and she is really smooth. This is where we hope I didn't aim it at the light pole. Notice it dropped in height. And now that she's completed the waypoints, I'm going to bring her home. One of my favorite things is how accurate it is. That is like exactly where we took off from. How cool is that?